This is my moringa. Look, I planted this and I harvested already. I forgot to make a recording. So look, so fresh from my garden. Ginger. So this is my garden, guys. I need something, or I don't know. I'm not sure how I will grab this because I have this here. cause so the see, oh, what here too. I have too much chili, guys. See? No, I don't look sick. Put some lipstick on. So, but first, okay, let's get started. Okay, recording ahead of time, guys, because I don't have time to post this video on. You can come. I'm not gonna be talking a lot. So guys, I'm gonna be starting cooking quickly because I'm hungry again. Level is 1 letter. Okay, so we have needs more. So I'm not sure, yeah. So you can see there is a line there. Our ingredients: moringa. I've already tawag nito. Sipad-sipad ba? The moringa. And these are the ingredients we have. This one: garlic, onion, lemongrass, chili, papas. Okay, so there. Okay, our water. Already started boiling. Now before you add the meat, this one first. Okay, so now we can eat these ingredients. Add these ingredients and together with, guys, you have to smash this, but I don't smash this because my husband, he doesn't like the taste of the garlic, so I just add it like that. And then add this one. First, I used to boil the ingredients first before adding the meat. Okay. I cannot use my phone because something happened with the audio. I hope will be fixed. So there, so you have to let it boil a little while and add this meat. There, it's boiling. You can add the meat already. So guys, you can add also the potato. The potato and sayote, because you don't have to overcook the meat. Also, you don't have to overcook the meat. So cover it, and after that, once the potato and the sayote well done, you have to add the moringa. Okay, you have to add the moringa. But for now, we have to wait. Ready? Okay. Breathe first. Okay. So, guys, so it's ready. And now it's time to put this thing. And just flip the little putti. Okay. Do not overcook again. Do not overcook. It's half cooked already. You can add the salts to smell delicious, guys. There, our moringa tinola. You can mix it. There, we can mix our tinola already. So guys, there is our tinola, and a little bit stronger because I think I put a lot of ginger, so you can put less ginger, and well, just like that. You just have to control the ginger. And I put a lot. Ginger and lemon. Put less ginger and lemon. Oh, moist. A little bit strong. I don't have problem with that because I like ginger and lemon. But, well, it's up to you guys. So, yeah, that's it.